Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. So in my video here, I am using a microplane zester, and it creates a very small zest. If you purchase one of these microplane zesters, be very careful. They are very sharp, but they are well worth the money. They work so well. And then to extract the juice, I'm just using one of these typical little tools, and they are amazing at extracting great amounts of liquid from the lemons. I really like this thing, and it is glass, and it tends to stand up much better than plastic. And out of the 2 large lemons, I get just over a half a cup or 125 grams of lemon juice. And then as a last step, it's always a good idea to run your lemon juice through a sieve. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.